What's up, guys? Welcome to the Adventures of Dan. We're actually going to be traveling to a side of town today I don't normally go to. As you guys know, I am a hobbyist. We do drone stuff. As much as I travel, I also like to throw my drone stuff in there. I thought tonight was a fun one because I've never been to a drift track down here. So I thought I'd show you guys the the Skyway. I think it's like the Speedway, something like that. The Sunrise Speedway. I'll have to show you. I'll put an address in the description below so you guys can check it out. It's a local track and it's very cheap to get into. So if you guys are in town and in the area, I'm actually going to meet a bunch of buddies right now. So I figured this would kind of be a fun vlog and entertaining to kind of talk about the area and things going on as we go. I have a lot of FPV gear with me. I also have a couple GPS drones and some batteries charged. I am currently charging a battery on the fly right here with my 100-watt power inverter. But we're getting ready to get on the road. I'm waiting on a buddy to send me an address, and then I should be able to head out. So unfortunately, my power unit is being used by this, so I had to bring my power brick to keep my phone charged for the trip. So, but it should work. So wish me luck. Let's get underway. See you guys as the trip progresses. Yeah.
Like the pine trees lining the winding road, I've got a name, I've got a name. Like the singing bird and the croaking toad, I've got a name, I've got a name. And I carry it with me like my daddy did, but I'm living the dream that he kept here. Moving me down the highway, rolling me down the highway, moving ahead so life won't pass me by. Like a north wind whistling down the sky, I've got a song, I've got a song. Like the whippoorwill and the baby's cry, I've got a song, I've got a song. And I carry it with me and I sing it loud. If it gets me nowhere, I go there proud.
Alright, so I'm here at Showtime Drift. I gotta go track down Specimen. I don't know where he's at. This is gonna be fun trying to just creep on through here and find Specimen's van. He said park on the opposite side of the bleachers. These people look like they're getting ready to get down today. Now we got drag scooters in here. Oh, now we're talking drag bikes. Yes, sir. Oh yeah. Let's see. I think he's talking about up that hill. Oh, there he is. Look at this guy. Now you gotta do some two-tracking. Good thing we're in a truck, huh? Oh, buddy. Bam, bam. Alright, let's see if we can get up here. I'm going to wheel in here backwards. Alright, I'm pretty much set up, man. We got the FPV, got the GPS, Mavic Mini, and brought the Xeno just in case, whatever, there might be some stupid restriction. You guys know how these things go. We're not even going to be going that high in the air, but you never know, man. DJI is just goofball. So, and we brought a spotlight in case we got to go on the search. On the search, in case something happens. You never know. You never know, right? Joe? Might lose a quad. Got to have a flashlight.
Joe never knows.
Joe never knows.
Joe never knows.
This looks rad, man. I can't wait till they turn on the stadium lights.
It's fun, dude. It is.
That boy's giving her the rat juice right there. Saucing all day.
Saucy! Yo, he's giving him the sauce. What up?
pick it up and they'll bring it over here. What's up? Hi, Papo. Hey, you having fun yet? Good man. What's up, bro? All right. I do it to everybody.
Do a dance. Yeah, I've hit the car before. They don't care.
They don't? Oh yeah? That's cool. That's cool. I've seen, yeah, like...
I'm not looking for a friend. I'm looking for a Jedi Master.
Jedi Master? Yoda. You seek Yoda.
Yoda.
Clear your mind of questions. You must unlearn what you have learned. The Jedi strength flows from the Force. That is the way of things. For my ally is Force, and the powerful ally it is. Its energy surrounds us, combines us. Luminous beam, Zoe. Not this crude matter. You must feel the Force around you. Between you, me, between. For my ally is the Force, and the powerful ally it is. Its energy surrounds us, combines us. Adventure, excitement. A Jedi craves not these things. For 800 years have I trained Jedi. A Jedi strength flows from the Force. Luminous beam, Zoe. Not this crude matter. You must feel the Force around you. Between you, me, between. Feel the Force. Feel the Force. Feel the Force around you. Feel the Force. Unlearn what you have learned. Only a brave trained Jedi with the Force as his ally will conquer Vader. If you choose the quick and easy path, you will become an agent of evil. Luminous beam, Zoe. Not this crude matter. You must feel the Force around you. Between you, me, between. Will I rest? Yes, forever sleep. Twilight is upon me. Soon, light must fall.
Oh yeah, dude. Oh no, because I'm still going back up, dude. Yeah.
Because you can't go low until like you're
Right.
way high up. Yeah.
I gotta take it up to almost that, I think.
Yeah, at least 20, 30.
Yeah.
Whatever.
I was like almost level. I'm like, that's not gonna work.
Nope, you'll never think it.
God, it's broke.
Yeah, we're gonna try that again.
Oh, dude, just
between caged and free, same blood between you and me. Everybody gotta rise up, everybody gotta stand up and shout from the steeple, power to the people, ain't nobody reach like this, but here we are because we rise up. Yeah, we're here because we stood up, and we shout from the steeple, power to the people. Ain't nobody free till every one of us is equal. Everybody gotta rise up, everybody gotta stand up. Feed us lies, but we'll find truth that cut us down but can't take our roots. I believe that we'll get through. Just stand by me and I'll stand by you. 'Cause this is where we come from, this is what we do. Yeah, we got that same blood, so just stand by me and I'll stand by you. This is where we come from, oh, this is what we do. Yeah, we got that same blood, so just stand by me and I'll stand by you. There's a war outside these walls, but there's love inside us all. Yeah, there's a war outside these walls, but there's love inside us all. Yeah, yeah. This is where we come from, and this is what we do. Yeah, we got that same blood, so just stand by me and I'll stand by you.
He's packing up, Dad.
Just today?
Up and down.
Yeah. Alright. Yeah, always post if you're out. If I'm able. I'm always working.
Bye, Papa.
I was. Alright, man. I was at the containers the other day.
Oh boy, Mr. Hackett, I'm calling it a night.
What a night.
Say deuces to YouTube, bro.
Oh, yeah.
Boom, savage night.
Good ripping, epic shit.
Shit, bro. That footage was ridiculous, dude. I'm telling you, you got a channel so I can watch, because I'm sure you're gonna post that shit.
Of course I do.
Hell yeah.
It's
Shout yourself out, because we're gonna
King
upload
Midas
this.
_FPV. Do not forget the underscore.
There
King
you
Midas
go.
_FPV.
King Midas _FPV. All right. We got Mr. Cagle still left over here.
Shut up, Dave.
We're getting ready to leave. Davey, good to see you, bro.
Man, good seeing you.
Hell yeah. Edwin, I'm gone, bro. Say goodbye to YouTube. Say toodles.
Pleasure, bro.
Yes, sir. That's it.
That's
Yeah. Done for the night. We're wrapping it up. What's up, dude? That guy's drifting like a maniac right now. Watch out. What a psycho on the tracks. Everybody's saying goodbye. Ron, Joe, Clinton.
Cars, bro.
I don't even know where.
Here, guys.
All right, have a good one, man. I don't even know where Lance went. Oh, there he is. Cracker. Cracker. We're going to the mall. Bye.
Good afternoon. Please give your attention to my associate, Agent J. He's going to demonstrate an electro-biomechanical neural transmitting zero synapse repositioner. We call it the neuralizer. Keep it simple, Slick.
Thanks a lot.
Thank you, Agent K. Ladies and gentlemen, if you will, look right here.